We're hard-working Americans, and life moves fast these days. When we're in a hurry for great-tasting coffee, we count on the BUNN Speed Brew coffee maker. It can make a full pot of coffee in half the time of the other top-selling coffee makers. Or it can brew a 20-ounce travel mug just for you. The secret is a commercial-grade stainless steel tank that's always full of hot water. Pour cold water in, and hot coffee comes out less than 4 minutes later. Simple, fast, amazing. The Speed Brew uses the same professional standards that made BUNN America's leading commercial coffee equipment company, so we can always count on great-tasting coffee at home, too. It comes with an exclusive drip-free carafe and premium 3-year warranty because it's built to last. So go ahead, pour another cup. We'll brew more.